In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know before you start selling digital products online, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what digital products are, where to sell them, and the common mistakes that usually waste people's time and money. If you're planning to start a simple online income stream or build a small digital product shop, this video is for you. Before we start, this brand, Jez Knows Best, is built to help beginners start making money online in a practical and realistic way. No complicated systems, no pressure, just simple steps that actually work. I also have a free beginner guide linked below where I break down a step-by-step system you can follow, so if you want more structured guidance, you can check that after this video. Now let's start. What are digital products? Digital products are basically products that people can buy and download online. Unlike physical items, there's no shipping, no inventory, and no need to handle products manually. Some simple examples: resume templates, budget trackers, planners, ebooks, Canva templates. For example, if you create a resume template, someone can buy it, edit it with their own details, and use it right away. That's a digital product. Why beginners should start with digital products? There are a few reasons why this is beginner-friendly. 1. No inventory needed. You don't need to stock anything or invest in physical items. 2. Low starting cost. You can create products using free tools like Canva, Google Docs, or Excel. 3. You can sell repeatedly. You create once, then sell multiple times. 4. Flexible setup. You can work from home, a cafe, or anywhere with internet. 5. Scalable over time. Even small products like $2 to $5 can grow into consistent income if done properly. This is why many beginners start here before moving into bigger online businesses. Where to sell digital products? Now the big question: where do you actually sell? For beginners, here are the simplest platforms: Gumroad, Payhip, Shopify, Etsy for international audience. If you're just starting with no audience, platforms with built-in traffic like Etsy can help. If you already have a page, blog, or audience, then Gumroad or Payhip is easier to control. There's no perfect platform. The best one is the one you can actually start with today. There are many other platforms to sell, but these are the top on my lists. What digital products should you create? A common mistake is overthinking this part. You don't need something complicated. Start with something you already know. Something people are already searching for, something simple to create. Beginner-friendly ideas. Budget trackers for students, moms, freelancers, resume or CV templates. Small business trackers, daily planners, checklists or guides. Focus on solving a small, specific problem. Example: instead of planner, make a $100 savings challenge tracker. That's clearer and easier to sell. Common mistakes to avoid. Most beginners struggle not because it's hard, but because of these mistakes. 1. Creating without research. Don't just make random products. Check what people are already searching for. 2. Copying without improving. If something is popular, don't copy it exactly. Make it simpler or more useful. 3. Making it too complicated. Start small. One product is enough. 4. Expecting instant results. This is not instant money, it builds over time. Simple beginner strategy. If you want to start today, here's a simple plan. Step 1. Choose one product idea. Step 2. Create it using Canva or Google Docs. Step 3. Upload it on Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Step 4. Write a clear title and description. Step 5. Share it or optimize for search. That's it. No need to build everything at once. Digital products are one of the simplest ways to start making money online, especially if you don't have capital or experience yet. The key is to keep it simple, stay consistent, and focus on helping people solve small problems. If you want a step-by-step beginner system, check the free guide below. And if you want more practical content like this, about freelancing, digital products, and online income for beginners, follow Jez Knows Best. I'll see you in the next video.